Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're doing a quick just review on a cool product we're using right now. We're working from home, as a lot of people are, and we got our hands on this cool wireless speakerphone called the eMeet, the Office Core M220 Lite. And it's a really cool product that enhances being on speakerphone, taking calls at home, conference calls, things like that. And the calls are so much louder, so you can hear them better. You can also quickly navigate the phone options, and it just really will enhance your work experience. I've been using it for a couple of days. I've been very satisfied with it. So in the box, you're gonna get 2 units actually. So here's the second one. Nice little picture there. So you get 2 units. You're gonna get 2 USB connectors as well. So you can use these to, again, plug up directly to a computer if you want to use it for a speakerphone for like a Skype call or any one of those other video chat services. You can link it up to the computer, which is awesome. It does come with obviously 2 charging cables as well. So you can just plug in USB to your computer or just take one of your USB blocks at home, plug it in. It will come with those auxiliary ports. You are able to daisy chain them together to make an even louder call. It does come with a little carrying case as well for easy storage. So I just want to give you a quick tour of how it works, and let's jump right in. So I have it paired to my Galaxy S20, and so just turn on my Bluetooth here and just go ahead and tap and make sure I just hold down the power button here to turn it on. Quick connect there. We're ready to go. I've got my volume control buttons on the front here. My in call button here. I can use this to quickly mute and unmute calls. And you know, I again had to take a few calls recently, and they were really low on my phone, but as soon as I switched over, it was just like, whoa, this is a ton of volume. So definitely has made working from home a lot easier. Just to show you here in the Bluetooth settings, you can actually see the battery percentage right here, so you always know how much battery you have left. And then on the side here, we have a couple of inputs. So you have a lock, in, out, and you have USB. It does use a micro USB charging cable. So basically you are able to plug in headphones to it if you want, and an output device as well. So all in all, guys, I've been really satisfied with it and just wanted to give this product a shout out because it was definitely worth that. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check one out. Again, if you're quarantined like me and most of the rest of the world and you got to work from home, this is a great option to stay productive and be able to stay on those calls and just keep the work train moving. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.